Hi students, how are you all? Hope you are all doing well. And today we are in the fourth session, and today we're going to see we have finished uh, the lessons and almost grammar part. In this session, we are going to see the paragraph writing. Paragraph writing, and you can see this in your textbooks page number 31. Textbooks page number 31 after the ending of the CV Raman lesson, right? I have not. I have left this one to explain this one at the last in this fourth session, right? In that paragraph writing, it's given write a paragraph on JC Bose using hints given below. You must use the right linkers to join the sentence, right? Down they have given some hints, and we need to write about a scientist named JC Bose, right? JC Bose, Indian scientist, born 13/9/1858, St. Xavier School, Calcutta, abroad for higher studies, written in 1885, published a monograph, Response in the Living and Non-Living, became famous, Fellow of Royal Society in 1920, Royalist Telegraphy in 1895, and Sescograph Plant Have Life, the Bose Institute in Calcutta, devoted to the study of plants, died in the year 23/11/1937. These are the hints that are given in your textbook, right? And we need to make it into a few lines by joining these lines by using suitable words. We must make into a paragraph by using these hints. Is that clear? And now I will be writing this paragraph on the board. All of you copy in your notebooks, right? I'll be writing on the board. All you must do is you must copy into your notebooks, right? Right. Jagadish Chandra Bose. His full name is Jagadish Chandra Bose. What is the date given here? Was born on 13/9/1858. Was born on 39 39 1858, right? We are writing this paragraph on the hints which are given above, right? Jagdish Chandra Bose was born on 1858 in Mayam Singh. In Mayam Singh. In Mayam Singh, in a village called Mayam Singh, Farid Faridpur, in a village called Mayam Singh, in a place called Faridpur. He attended the village school till he was 11. Attended village school he was 11 years old. Till right, he attended the village school till he was 11. He then moved to Calcutta, Kolkata, where he joined Saint Xavier's, Saint Xavier's School. He went abroad for after finishing his school. He went abroad for higher studies. He went higher higher studies. Right? Was born in 1858. Right? In Maim Singh, Faridpur. He attended village school till he was 11. He then moved to Kolkata, where he joined St. Xavier's School. He went after that, after finishing his school, he went to abroad for higher studies. Right? Next, after going abroad, he returned to India in the year 1885. He returned to India in in the year 1885. Next, Bose published after returning in 1895. Then he published a monograph on response phenomena. Phenomena, right? He went abroad for higher studies. He returned to India in the year 1885. Bose published a monograph on response phenomena. Right? All of you first copy this one, the remaining I'll write. Right? Next. Phenomena. Right? Next. He he wrote about he wrote about the living and non-living. He wrote about the living and non-living, living beings and non-living beings on the earth, right? Living and non-living beings. He showed that not only animals but vegetable tissue produce similar relative response under different kinds of stimuli, right? he showed or he proved that not only animal but vegetable tissues vegetable tissues produce electric response electric response under different of kinds of stimuli stimuli with this response theory he became famous. He was given a fellowship of the Royal Society of the Royal Society in the year 1920, right? Next, he invented wireless telegraphy in 1895. After that, he also he invented, right, wireless telegraphy in 1895. In the year 1895, then he invented seismograph seismograph an instrument an instrument to find out the growth in plants, to find out the growth in plants, right? See, he wrote about the living and non-living in his books, right? Then he showed that not only animal tissues but also vegetable tissues produce electric response under different kinds of stimuli. With this response to stimuli theory of the vegetables, he became famous. he became famous. He was given because he became famous because of theory, response theory, right? He was given a fellowship of the Royal Society in the year 1920. It is a great honor for him. He invented wireless telegraphy in 1895. He After that he also invented seismograph, an instrument which will tell the growth of the plants. It's an instrument by which we can know the growth of the plants. And also he also invented wireless telegraphy without wires, telegraph without wires, right? All of you copy down this one in your notes. Right, the remaining. Next, he he proved that plants have plants have life. He established the Bose Research Institute in Calcutta. In Calcutta, he he devoted his life to study, sorry, to the study of plants. He died in, sorry, he died on 23/11/1937, right? This is how you need to write the paragraph, right? You know, he proved that plants have life. He established the Bose Research Institute in Calcutta. He devoted his life to the study of plants, right? And at last, after achieving so much in his life, he finally rested, or he died in the year 1937 on 23 November, right? And this is about the paragraph writing. And next you have second one. The passage given below The passage given below have few errors in use of capital letters, verbs, preposition, and articles. Edit the passage by underlining incorrect words and writing them correctly over the space. The first one is done for you. So here one passage is given and some wrong spellings are given. We need to underline those wrong spellings, right? First one, born. You have to underline these words in that passage, right? Next, finished, finished. Next, MA. Next, Chennai. Next, Indian Association. Indian Association, right? And Indian Association, cultivation, science, finance ministry, Royal Society, British government, British Empire, Indian scholar, India, Nobel Prize. These are all the wrong spellings that are given in that passage. You have to underline each wrong spelling and you have to write them, write the correct, uh, write the passage in corrected words. That's all for today in this session. We'll meet again in the next session. Till then, have a nice time.